I came out to the Mobile Flame Center here in Port Charlotte, Florida, where we've set up our mobile flame unit. And it really is inspiring to see all the people here. We have people here doing noble work, and it's quite fantastic to see in action. So we have two mobile flame centers here in the Southwest Florida area. This is here, like I said, in Port Charlotte, which is a little bit north of the second one, which is down in Fort Myers. Had an opportunity to spend some time with the leadership of Operation Barbecue. It is absolutely fascinating what they're able to do here. My understanding is they could, if they needed to, produce 70,000 meals a day. They don't need that much. The demand isn't that high. They're doing roughly 30 to 40,000 per day. The other day, I think it was on Sunday, they served their 10 millionth meal out at a catastrophe site. I completely underestimated what their capabilities are. They're not just serving people here that come up for meals when they're filing their insurance claim. They are actually shipping meals all the way out to the affected areas. They have volunteers driving in. Some are taking them out to their church, they're taking them to recreation centers, they're taking them to where the volunteers are, they're taking them where the first responders are, in order to be able to provide a hot meal where it is needed. So not everyone needs to come here, they actually push them out into the community. So fantastic job they're doing here. I wanted to show you just a little bit of the operation for Operation Barbecue Relief. It's absolutely a great organization, and one of the key leaders here was formerly in the farmers organization, spent some time in claims, not spent some time in marketing. But this is just the beginning here. This is where volunteers check in. A lot of the operation is happening behind the scenes across the street. At the volunteers check in there, they come over into this area and they're assigned whatever their particular duties are going to be. Down along the side here, you'll see these tremendous, or these huge cookers where the pork butts are cooked. They sit in there, they cook them for upwards of 12 hours. So they did everything today, starting early this morning, to get all the lunch meals sent out of here. And after it comes out of here, there's a cleanup process that takes place, and they get it ready to cook the dinner meals. If I turn the camera a little bit more, you're gonna see there's 6 trailers back there, and these are 40-foot trailers that are refrigerated, and that's where they're keeping and storing a lot of the food prior to being cooked. They came up here with approximately 40,000 pounds of pork, and they're getting more sent in as they continue to send these meals out. Needless to say, these are hot meals. They need to be kept hot. So they have these units here. This is for the smaller units where they're just sending out, maybe 50 or 60 meals out, but then you can do as many as 500 meals in some of those warmers over there, and then they come back over here and they are picked up and then taken out in the community. So quite an operation.